Hey guys, I have something a little different today. I got some phantom fireworks. If maybe you've been watching some previous videos, you saw some phantom fireworks. I did a little trip to Pennsylvania and bought myself some. And on top of that, today I go to my local Stop and Shop store. Guess what? Yes, selling phantom fireworks. So I will do a quick unboxing of this Mystical Nights assortment. So let me get this open easily. Alright, we'll start with this little guy. Before I actually name it, most of these I'm not familiar with phantom fireworks stuff. I know they're a little better than TNT I've been lighting. That's about it. I know this one here, but anyway, let's get started. A small golden flower fountain. A box of junior cuckoo fountains. I think there's 3 in here. Confetti lights fountain, torching volcano fountain, peach flower in spring fountain. Hold on, I'm putting the camera down. Gonna give you a nice view here. Okay. A little bigger cuckoo fountain. Right there. Jade flower fountain. And spark plug fountain. Well, that's it. Thank you.